Yes, my lovely people, I want to say first and foremost, I want to thank everybody for the love and the support that I have been getting on TikTok and also on YouTube. Everybody, I appreciate you all and I thank you very, very, very much. Make we get down to the meat of the matter and to the meat and the bone. Alright. People, one thing about J Progress. On my channel, this is as real as it gets. No filter, no nothing. Sometimes I don't even edit my videos. I give you raw cut, I give you real, I give you hardcore. And people, I do a particular video the other day about the view of a man or a woman and 50-50. Then, someone got back to me on my TikTok channel, right? And someone shared a story with me. And bear in mind, this story, I said to myself, this is one of the stories that I am going to have to share with my followers and my subscribers. I'm going to have to share this story with you. Because listen, a lot of times, we bash certain people who help people figure out foreign and all them kind of something there, right? But now, this is a lady, right? Who push out, go foreign, work hard, try everything what she can try, and ending up help her baby father from Jamaica. And the man did it all long, nah do nothing until the table start turn and things start happen for him in a foreign. And when that start to happen, him left the woman. I and dry, left her, dump her like a garbage. And while me say that, people, I am going to share this story with all my followers. I'm going to listen to me. Because some people probably can pick a lesson from this. Or some people who are already in the situation can start view the situation differently and assess themselves and prepare for what is to come. I am going to share this story. Alright. The lady said, J Progress, I listen to you all the time. I heard the one where you were responding to the guy talking about not doing 50-50 split. And I understand your perspective on that. However, there are men out there who are just brutally cruel to women. No matter how much you do for them, support them and be their rock, it seems insufficient, right? I believe it comes down to the individual and their moral compass. Moreover, many women overseas, I believe, have done their best to support the men who they take overseas with them. However, sometimes these men have their own agenda. And no matter what you do or how much you give them, it doesn't make a difference. Believe me, I am speaking from personal experience. I came overseas. I go to on a school program. I work 8 hours a day, attend school at night, and for 3 hours, she does a cleaning job. I remember having to clean 12 bathrooms at nights. Whoa, that's bad. I remember having to clean 12 bathrooms at nights, all while my daughter was with me and my son was in university in Jamaica. After I graduated, I took him here with me, not because I asked him to. She's talking about her man knowing our baby father, you know, right? When I graduated, I took him here with me, not because I asked him to, but because he see how hard I have to work and he wants to help when he arrives. It took him 7 months to get a job. That's a long old time to reach a foreign and get a job, though. 7 months? Whoa, that's long. It took him 7 months to get a job. And that didn't bother me. I continued to work 14 hours a day to make ends meet. However, when he finally got a job, he saved his money and dumped me like garbage. People can be brutally cruel Wow. Wow, 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 wow. So me I show no people, sometimes you can really put out to help somebody, like genuinely from the heart, especially when it involves foreign. I done a series on guys who have women taking them to foreign and what can happen to them. And now, here is the script that flips, where a woman is coming out to speak of what happened to her after she got all out for her baby father, our man, who she did want to try with and provide a better life for. You hear me I say? So sometimes you may probably say, well, guess what? I'm a baby father or I'm a baby mother, so you know what, if me get a bus, me I go help them cause life we better and them with things. Remember, like this lady said in her experience, some people have their own agenda. Some people are not appreciative. Some people don't have gratitude, nothing like that. You could do the world for them. You could do the world for them and they still turn around and throw crap in your face. Believe me. Look at this lady right now. Look at what she have to endure. Look at what she have to go through. That's why I tell people all the while. Enough time when you see people say them fly out and them they are foreign and them are try make ends meet. Them have to go through a lot. And you have to work hard to change your life in a foreign. See, she a go to school. She a take care of pit near Jamaica. She a work, I do cleaning job, 12 bathroom a night, and all them thing there. And it a pressure her. And her baby father we down at Jamaica now look pan it and say, babes, you work too hard, man. You need a man side of you. You need a good man side of you now. Where if you come help put in some work and help power up the thing. And help you through this. Because upon you alone, baby, it pressuring. And you look at it now as a woman and you say, you know what, true? If me really fight it and get him here, him will probably come work and things will be lighter for me. Things will be lighter as stress you take up on yourself more while. And your worst nightmare, you bring down stress and depression and anxiety and heartbreak and everything. Look, 7 months. You think it's easy for somebody come and you sit down past somebody and them a mind you for 7 months? You come a foreign and you have to tell me, say 7 months you did can't get a work. Want to supermarket. Want to warehouse. Want to buy one lawnmower and go cut 2 people yard and make a little money. Want to get 1 and 2 little painting job. Want to go clean out people shed or clean out people basement. Want to work in one kitchen and wash couple 2 little plate, 2 little dishes. Want to clean up one restaurant and all them something there. So when you can't get a job in 7 months and the woman will go through the struggle, sit down and take care of you for 7 months. And if you think that bad, when you do get a job, you work, save your money and drop the woman like a hot potato. So you see, it reach everybody. It's not just man, it's not just woman. You know, be careful what you do now if you know that person. You hear me I say? And I just want to make this as a disclaimer for all of my subscribers and all of my followers them on TikTok. Listen, it's not everybody I am going to be able to share the story. And a lot of people who ask that they want me to share the story, right? When they reach out to me, they are looking for some form of contact or whatever for me. But I cannot just give my number to random people or give my information to random people. Even though you are my subscribers and my followers and I love you all so much. But guess what? If it values for you to sit down and write your experience in a message like this lady did and send it to me, right? On my TikTok or whatever, then I will see how serious you want your experience to be shared with my audience. And then I will do that for you guys. And that's also if the story works out that I feel like I can share it. It's worth sharing. This one, definitely worth sharing. I can pretty much hear the pain, the disrespect and the regret and the heartbreak in this woman's message. Whoever you are, God go with you.